of and are crucially important, and that very few people are capable of understanding what they do. Very few people are capable of assessing what they do. That it is so important and that it is so specialized. Let's start with Fiona Hill. Fiona Hill is she's, I think, Harvard, it's either Oxford or Cambridge. It's one of the two elite academies in the UK she's a graduate of. She is a national security foreign policy specialist. And she rocked the committee this morning, although they may not know it. Yeah, I think they have to know it. Early on in her opening statement, in which she said there is no basis for believing Ukraine was interfering in the 2016 election. There's no basis for believing this at all. That is a Russian trick. That the Russians are the people who meddled. Ukraine didn't. There isn't any basis for this. None whatsoever. And I kept watching it. I said, no basis? How many times are we going to have to drag this out? Politico, January 11th, 2017. Kenneth Vogel and David Stern, Ukrainian efforts to sabotage Trump backfire. What is all this talk about Ukraine not being involved with election interference in 2016? How many times do I have to drag this story out? And it's not just Politico. Other elements of the drive-by media also had the story. To say that Ukraine did not interfere in our elections to help Hillary Clinton is absurd. And then she further rocked the hearings. She rebuked Pencilneck in his very first question. Because really what this tried to get back to today was Russian interference. They can't let go of it. They can't drop it. They are convinced and trying to convince people the Mueller report says things it doesn't say. And so Schiff was attempting to get her to play off on the fact that Ukraine had nothing to do with election interference or meddling in 2016. The Russians did it. The Russians did it. And the fact that so many people think Ukraine had something to do with it is a Russian plan. This woman portrays the Russians as